Know there's a massive debate between V8 and V6 engines? Let's settle this once and for all. First up, the V8. With 8 cylinders roaring, it's a beast on the road, often packing over 400 horsepower. Perfect for muscle car lovers and anyone who craves raw, unfiltered power. But wait, here comes the V6. With 6 cylinders, it's lighter and often more efficient. While it doesn't roar quite like a V8, many V6 engines still pack a punch with around 300 horsepower. So, V8 for the thrill seekers and V6 for the everyday heroes. Tell us in the comments below. And if you want more car fun, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Cosmos family. See you next time.